a call for judicial integrity and impartiality in South Sudan. An open letter to Chief Justice Dr. Benjamin Bogdang and Deputy Chief Justice Lako. In a young nation like South Sudan, where institutions are still developing and the rule of law continues to find its footing, the judiciary holds a sacred responsibility to serve as the impartial guardian of justice, equity, and constitutional order. This duty lies heavily upon your shoulders. Justice Dr. Benjamin Bogdang and Deputy Chief Justice Lako, the people of South Sudan look to your offices for fairness, for truth, and above all, for a clear separation from the political wrangling that too often undermines public confidence in our institutions. As you leave the judiciary, let this message serve as a respectful, yet firm reminder. You do not represent SPLMIG, SPLMIO, SSOA, FDP, or any other political faction. Your mandate does not come from a party manifesto, but from the Constitution and the sacred trust of the South Sudanese people. 1. Safeguard judicial independence. The judiciary must be above political influence, seen as neutral, impartial, and independent. In recent years, the perception that some judicial decisions have been swayed by political affiliations has dangerously eroded public trust. As Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice, your silence and distance from partisan politics must be absolute. The moment you are seen engaging in factional alignments, the legitimacy of the entire justice system comes into question. Stay away from political consultations, avoid appearances at party gatherings, and refrain from issuing rulings that give even the faintest impression of favoritism. The law must speak louder than politics. 2. Avoid conflicts of interest. Justice is compromised when judges serve dual loyalties, one to political actors and another to the rule of law. Decline any attempt to influence your decisions through personal relationships, ethnic affiliations, or political pressure. 3. Lead by example in upholding the Constitution. The Transitional Constitution of the Republic of South Sudan, 2011, as amended, clearly outlines the independence of the judiciary. You are its highest custodians. Do not permit any political group to manipulate constitutional interpretation for their advantage. Interpret the law faithfully, even if it displeases powerful interests. That is the true test of judicial courage. 4. Protect the public interest. Every ruling you make, every policy you approve, and every statement you release must affirm this truth. You are the voice of the people's justice, not the extension of political will. 5. Promote accountability and judicial reform. The judiciary must not be an island of privilege. It must be a model of transparency and accountability. Initiate reforms that remove corrupt elements from the bench. Ensure fair recruitment and promotion of judges, and promote human rights.
Mala madid yang gue kedel, cina ke long kata dun kergane, nama aciat ke dia mod dia kelat gudian ke South Sudan. Tara dia macalan wala, muktab jas dindi ni kona ke cana copan. Ta kuara nam guna kuara dan ten kap muktab mone ke South Sudan ta ko kaping. Ta ne du ko ken ta ko gol gudian. Kalwat kami kapal kaping yang dia cikon tan dia cikon link cek ke mecine ladia. Luat kami kapal kaping geja. Tawe joga no biana kwen tibi Dr. F machar kana jikuara tanjayen biga nangwa loko deko kwet chikwadang raw chikan loko ba ne ta ba kwen chika warga ga ma chikana loy pinyo chi tok chim chabala da no ko taleja kamwat dai ti tala misigana dir tal dom de lukuke ke tal dom de kwanaka chikara ja ma chikana lok ka karga mi chigara de molok katiang Chilar Juba ko muktab kwaran di jenu cha kwar dam raw tindit ke muktab nuang ne dung South Sudan ke muktab ngone jaga kaping ajanta ya to ko ba kaping ge jeno mo ta warga la barar ko gurka lumu chwa nama ajana nti barara wala ka bine namo cha bulat ke ta ne kona duno binel ke ya kam butwa wana ka kor kami Chika na alat. Tetini kana tuaka kana gone dene retemye ano cha kwar dangrau tendit ka muktab luang dung South Sudan di cha kapin panjan de kong tawalaten. Kanedu kong ijalaten dan dial kejang kana Equatoria. Neto labagaten kwar ko ngay baka chudio bela da mengor loide. Tabukanalat. Ajana mo. Chana tekel gora jana lama biatemar.